Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English Shadowing channel. I'm very happy that you are here today and practicing English with me. In this video, I would like to talk about how I manage stress in my daily life. Stress is something that almost everyone experiences. It can come from work, family, or daily responsibilities. In my life, stress is sometimes unavoidable. There are days when I feel busy, tired, or under pressure. However, over time, I have learned how to deal with stress in a healthier way. First of all, I try to accept that stress is a normal part of life. I do not expect everything to be perfect. When I accept this, I feel less frustrated. One important way I manage stress is by organizing my time. When my schedule is clear, I feel more in control. I usually make a simple list of things I need to do. This list helps me focus on one task at a time. Instead of worrying about everything, I concentrate on small steps. This reduces my stress levels significantly. Another method I use to manage stress is taking short breaks. When I work for a long time without rest, I feel overwhelmed, so I remind myself to stop for a few minutes. During these breaks, I stand up and stretch my body. Sometimes I walk around or drink a glass of water. These small actions help my body relax. Breathing is also very important for me. When I feel stressed, my breathing becomes fast and shallow, so I try to slow it down. I take a deep breath in and then slowly breathe out. I repeat this several times. This simple exercise helps calm my mind. In addition, I try to maintain a healthy daily routine. I wake up and go to bed at similar times every day. Having a routine gives me a sense of stability. Sleep plays a very important role in stress management. When I do not sleep well, I feel more emotional and impatient. That is why I try to get enough rest every night. Physical activity also helps me reduce stress. I do not do heavy exercise every day. However, I try to move my body regularly. Sometimes, I go for a short walk. Other times, I do light stretching at home. These activities help release tension from my body. Another way I manage stress is by limiting negative information. Too much bad news or social media can increase stress, so I try not to check my phone too often. I choose what I read and watch carefully. This helps protect my mental health. Talking to people I trust is also very helpful. When I feel stressed, I share my thoughts with family or close friends. Talking makes me feel less alone. Sometimes, I do not even need advice. I just need someone to listen. This emotional support is very important to me. I also try to change my mindset when facing difficulties. Instead of seeing problems as failures, I see them as challenges. This way of thinking helps me stay positive. Of course, managing stress is not always easy. There are days when I still feel overwhelmed. However, I remind myself that this feeling will pass. I do not try to solve everything at once. I focus on what I can control. This approach helps me feel calmer. Over time, I have realized that managing stress is a skill. It improves with practice. The more I practice these habits, the better I feel. Overall, stress management is an important part of my daily life. It helps me stay balanced, focused, and emotionally stable. Without these strategies, daily life would be much more difficult. I believe everyone should find their own way to manage stress. What works for one person may not work for another. The most important thing is to take care of yourself. This is how I manage stress in my daily life. It is not perfect, but it helps me move forward calmly and confidently. Thank you very much for practicing English shadowing with me today. Please listen again and repeat this script many times. This will help you improve your fluency, pronunciation, and confidence. I hope you found this topic useful. See you in the next video.